Hi everyone, welcome to our monthly theme. We're in March now and our monthly theme is spring prep. So we're out here at Wingate Community Garden and we are prepping this bed for spring planting. So to do this, we're going to use a couple of simple tools, just a soil knife here and a handheld hoe. We're using this to get the weeds out of the garden bed. So when you're removing the weeds, you want to go on and get them out before they start to flower and when they're small and easy to remove. After you get the weeds out, the next thing you're going to look at is your soil health. So for that, we're going to send off a soil sample if you haven't already done it. The soil sample will give us some really important information, but most of all, we're going to be looking at pH and our nutrient levels in our soil. So once we have that information, then we'll be able to add our compost or our fertilizer and know that we're adding the appropriate amount for our plants. So once you get the weeds out, and you can just use your hoe here to get those out, you want to remove the weeds out of the bed and not take too much soil with it. And once you get to this stage, then your plants are going to be much happier in a soil that won't have all the competition from the weeds. So again, it's get pretty early in the spring. You can see I'm still wearing my coat, but if you go on and do this early and get ready, you're going to set yourself up for success in the growing season. So thanks for joining us for this month's theme. We really look forward to doing some more in the coming months.